Collard greens might just be the most underrated leafy green in your kitchen. Packed with vitamins, minerals, and fiber, they can boost your health in surprising ways. But are there downsides too? Let's dig into the nutrition, benefits, and side effects. Rich source of vitamins and minerals. Collard greens are loaded with vitamin K, vitamin A, vitamin C, calcium, and folate. A single cup provides more than your daily requirement of vitamin K, which plays a key role in blood clotting and bone metabolism. This nutrient density makes collard greens one of the best low-calorie ways to fill nutritional gaps in your diet. Supports heart health. The fiber, potassium, and antioxidants in collard greens work together to support cardiovascular function. Soluble fiber binds to cholesterol in the digestive tract, helping lower LDL levels over time. Regular consumption may also help regulate blood pressure, reducing strain on the heart and lowering the risk of stroke. Strengthens bones. Thanks to their high calcium and vitamin K content, collard greens contribute directly to bone density and strength. Vitamin K activates proteins that bind calcium to the bone matrix, while calcium itself is the primary mineral needed for skeletal structure. This combination makes collards especially valuable for aging adults. Aids digestion. Collard greens are an excellent source of dietary fiber, which adds bulk to stool and promotes regular bowel movements. This fiber also feeds beneficial gut bacteria, supporting a healthy microbiome. A well-functioning digestive system improves nutrient absorption and reduces bloating and constipation. May help lower cancer risk. Collard greens contain glucosinolates, plant compounds that break down into cancer-fighting substances during digestion. These compounds have been studied for their potential to neutralize carcinogens and reduce oxidative stress in cells. While not a cure, regular intake may support the body's natural defenses. Supports eye health. Lutein and zeaxanthin, two antioxidants found abundantly in collard greens, accumulate in the retina and protect it from oxidative damage. These compounds filter harmful blue light and may reduce the risk of age-related macular degeneration and cataracts as you get older. Possible side effects. Despite their benefits, collard greens aren't for everyone. Their high vitamin K content can interfere with blood-thinning medications like warfarin, so patients on such drugs should monitor intake carefully. They also contain oxalates, which may contribute to kidney stone formation in susceptible individuals. Eating them raw in large amounts can sometimes cause bloating or gas due to their fiber content. That wraps up everything you need to know about collard greens. Add them to your meals wisely, watch for interactions if you're on medication, and enjoy the nutrition they bring to your table. If this helped, like the video and subscribe for more health breakdowns like this one.